Lily.
Have a look at the Parasta. She's swimming now. Ate! Lenny!
I just got the water I melt before.
Good girl. Balimba Ferry. We're at the station. Andiyan na ang ferry. Uy, may iwan na naman tayo. It's a gloomy day today in Brisbane. It's Sunday and we are going to the city with Mom. Kasi last day na niya ngayon dito sa Brisbane. Uwi na siya sa Melbourne bukas. So, hindi pa siya nakasakay dyan sa ferry. Dadalhin namin siya dyan. Alam niyo ba, first time na parang ano ako pa, giniginaw ako ngayon. Nini! Hi! Welcome on board! Takot ang ating baby sitting. What is that? What is that? Huh? Yeah. Pinay hindi maka-stay here.
I got a spider on my leg.
Yeah.
It was there before.
Where did it go?
I put it on the sweat and then I dropped it.
Where did you find that?
Just down on the ground.
What did you find?
Wait. I need to tell you what's the color. I spy something orange. My eyes spy something orange.
Oh, what's that orange? Orange. Oh, the life boy.
Wonder if you stay for a while. Never wanna lose on our time.
one?
Road in Hamilton. Just be there.
I don't know. What's the funny spotted?
Is this where we get off? This is where you get off the city, Riverside.
Baba, look at Lainey, Bob. She just want to sit next to Paris.
Actually, just supported.
I said that already. My guy's hopped.
Yeah! Well done. Good job.
I spy something. Orange.
Yes!
I spy something orange.
Lola's bag.
That's red.
Oh, is that?
I said
Orange.
orange.
That's pretty impressive.
The life boy?
Yeah.
it is.
I mean it isn't. My, it isn't.
Careful and careful.
You can't stand. You can't stand mine.
It's not standing.
She is. I can feel like standing.
Mama's holding.
No, that was holding me too, but
We're stopping soon. We're at South Bank now. So where's the Lola card? Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's about 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock, isn't it?
So we're at South Bank now. Nakarating lang namin, guys. But first, we are getting something to eat kasi sobrang gutom na kami. What's the time na di?
2:16 plus.
Oh, 2:16. Oh my goodness. There. Do you want to go to that Vietnamese?
I knew you were going to say that.
Yeah.
Look at my face. Hey.
alam na agad kung saan pupunta eh. Itong isa naman ay hindi magpalapag-lapag sa kanyang pram. Ayan, oh, gusto niya maglakad. Okay. So, yeah, there's no use of the pram. Seems like tatlong anak namin. Tatlo yung kinakarga. Yay! Tabi po, prebiyag. Okay, keep going.
Tes chaussures.
Keep going.
Your shoes.
Yay! Yes! Can you say yes? This way? Gusto niyo talagang maglakad. Be, hold mama. Good girl.
I really want.
Come on. Come on. The Paris is there now. Oh. Hey, look at the Paris. Go. Follow.
Let's go.
Follow.
Let's go.
Oh, she just loves to walk. Yeah. Because say daddy. Say daddy.
Oh, you went too fast.
You're right. Oh, popcorn smells good. Okay, go follow daddy. Nah. Come on.
Oh, John Celine. Oh, it's flying.
The stickers? Here you go.
So the stuff I got. And these are all the stuff I got.
Mm-hmm.
Berries.
Mini. Kakarating lang namin dito sa Vietnamese restaurant. We're gonna have something to eat.
Paris wants to have
We're hungry, aren't we?
noodle soup.
Yep. Whoa, you loved that last time.
Do you want chicken fur?
Yep. Wait, look at the high chair.
To make stuff.
Yeah, it's dirty.
No, hey, look.
So I do have bumbu here then, yeah? Like last time.
Spicy beef noodle soup.
Ooh, they got green papaya salad though.
Yeah, Paris, your glass. Hey, your glass. Paris.
Sometimes when you're hungry, mom, yeah, you just have to eat everything. But then, it's like mom, your eyes is bigger than your belly. Yeah. We'll get water for Celine.
I fixed the right. Look, guys.
Yeah.
Right, see it? Look.
Wow, Paris, very creative.
Alright. Who knows what they want?
I'm gonna get bumbu.
I'm gonna have chicken fur.
And green papaya salad.
Spring rolls?
I'm gonna say, yeah, I reckon. Yeah.
Pork?
Lang ating buhok. Tingnan niyo guys, alam niyo na, hindi nakapag-supply. Ayan yun.
I really like this. Look, mine.
Huwag na lang, matuslok ka na.
Look.
Have this one instead. We can have that one.
Look.
Do you want to have a look? What would you like to order, my love?
Which one?
Oh, I think that what? Did you have this black glutinous rice last time? Very sparkly, Paris.
You want the lemon drink? Lemon juice?
My lips is so
We conversating, watching how you move, yeah, I like what I see. Got our favorite station, taking in your fragrance. That's an easy way to make a bitch go weak. I could do us every day. We're taking turns when I play. Want you to give me all of you like we got nothing to say. Love all the faces you make. I'll do whatever it takes. Know the position on your knees, but ain't got nothing to pay. Yeah. Wonder if
I know it's taking dinner.
For me?
Bali, but the Muslims
Paris having chicken noodle soup. Wow.
Lucky.
lucky that she can get arrested.
And this one's having her drink. Yum. Yum. Busog na rin si Mommy, guys. Good. You don't lose it.
Oh, she's in the chair. Let's go. Let's not walk.
I know. because of the bowl.
Watch out she doesn't throw it though.
Okay, we'll go have a look around here. Tingin-tingin kami dyan sa mga stoves na yan.
I'm not going to this car. We've got another shit coming.
Then we're gonna go get gusto kong bumili ng corn, guys. Mais pa more. We'll see. Bago lang kasi natapos kumain, guys. But I really love to eat corn. Everyone. Sobrang daming tao.
I have caught a rainbow caterpillar.
Do you? Where did you get it from?
Found it. Look at that. It's real.
Where is it? Super nice.
I like.
Oh, it's carved, yeah?
Very pretty.
Elephant. Phone case. No touching Paris.
No, you're allowed.
No, you just look. Go this way.
The shopkeeper will say, don't touch.
Tara readings. Something for your dog? Oh, what's in here? Cute. But these are massive though, Mommy. Sorry. These are massive though, yeah. For your ear. Like your ear will be like up.
Okay, good.
This way lang. Come here, we'll go have a look here first and then we can go to the pool, okay? Cute.
Oh, my. Big Santa.
Oh, this is cute, Mom. Oh?
Yeah, that's good.
I think it's her boat. I will have a look at this one. Paris is eating churros. Mommy is having corn. Daddy Mike's got Celine. Let's send a picture of. Itong ating ate Paris, hindi makapag-intay sa swimming.
Can I see coffee?
Oh, how about Max Brenner, Mom?
Where?
You know Max Brenner?
Oh, up that way?
Yeah. Remember you went there last time?
You're telling me that's
Yeah, we'll go. Yeah. We'll go. Let's go. Get the boat, anak. Lene, give mama the corn, anak, be. Len.
No.
Lene. In Melbourne, if you go everywhere, they make coffee, Daddy. They make coffee. Ang mama ni Daddy Mike, guys,
Because I got nothing else.
tatlong places ang inistapan niya para bumili ng coffee niya. Walang coffee, they're not making coffee.
Celine's got corn, that's all she cares
So, dito
about.
kami sa, ano.
That's all she cares about.
Oh, do you think Paris will be alright, Bob? Will get sick again, Bob? Will be
Good luck you telling her she can't swim.
like cold and then...
You want me to not text Celine?
A few moments later.
It looks like very holiday though, Mom. Like, you know, the color.
That's doesn't it? Some tropical resort.
Wawa naman ang bebe. May batang nakawala oh sa kanyang prop. Nandito na sa tubig. Doon ang kanyang tatay. Oh! Okay? Call Dita. Call Dita. There. There. Hey, Dita. Go, let's go. Let's go to Paris. Let's go to Paris. Look! Look! Call Daddy! Have a look at the Paris star. She's swimming now. Ate! With the pram. Good job. Lenny!
I just got the water I melt before.
Good girl. Tuwang-tuwa ang ating baby girl. Oh. Dito kami sa window. Yay! Nice? Daddy Paris and Daddy Mike and Mom Karen is there. They're ordering some ice cream. Hi, Lani! Lang lang! We can go in there. We can go in there. We stay here. Look! Look on the window! Look! Whoa! That's pretty cool. Pip, pip, gamay nga jeepney dagan sa kalsada. Hunong tanaw pamati. Hunong tanaw pamati. You wanna move that side lang? Hmm? Beep, beep, a small jeep is running down the street. Stop, look and listen. Stop, look and listen. Oh, cheap, huh? $2 for 3 rides and 1 coin for 1 ride. But alam ko, kapag natin to, natatakot man itong isa eh. Knock! Knock! You know, she ended up swimming with Ate Paris. Lang niya? Lang? Yan, nakabihis na oh. Bulingit pa rin. Kumain naman. What's that? Tiger! Roar! Roar! No, thank you. Look! What's Daddy? What's Daddy eating? What have you got there, Ate? Wow! Oh my God!
I got me the wrong ice cream by accident. I got the wrong ice cream by
Wrong
accident.
ice cream?
Yeah,
Daddy!
No, Dad, I'll take the big one. The big smiley.
Okay, can you wait?
No. I want
Natakot siya nung siya lang mag-isa, guys. Nung pumasok sa Ate Paris, and she felt confident. She's climbing. This one. So we just missed our ferry, guys. We have to wait here for maybe another 20-25 minutes.
That one.
Hey!
That one you mean?
Yeah. So they're building a bridge. See? Sobrang laki ng bridge. And just up to there for now. Still going on. Yes.
I spot something green.
Green. The trees.
No. 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 That's not right, Mom.
The water.
What?
The water looks green.
Yes. Yes, Mom.
The water.
I'm joking.
Look, there's people there, guys, on top of the bridge. Oh, did you wave? Celine waving. Wave. Oh, yay! I don't know if you can see it. They're on the other side. Whoa, there. Oh, that'll be really scary. Kakabalik lang namin dito sa Balimba Ferry Station. Ling. This little one is very tired na yan. Are you going to sleep in the car? Ayan, magsa-sunset na oh. Madilim na. Madilim na, anak. Maginaw na rin, guys. My goodness. Hindi na ako sanay ba? So kahit na hindi masyadong maginaw kumpara sa Melbourne, nagiging maginaw na siya sa akin. Like I'm having goosebumps. Lini! We're gonna walk towards the car now. Balimba Ferry. Nakauwi lang namin. Bumili na lang ng takeaway kasi it's nearly 8
Milk soup.
ng gabi.
What?
It's a soup. Milk soup. Taste it. Tell me if you like it.
Wait. No!
Go. Is it
Yum.
good?
Yan pinabili ko. Green papaya salad. Okay, come on, babe. Tita, look. What's wrong?
She was a bit scared first. You want to try some more?
It's hot, the spoon.
What happened?
Spoon is hot.
The spoon is hot, Daddy.
No, it's not. Yeah, quick.
That's my own.
Do you want some or not?
Silini. How about Silini? No?
I'll put some rice on it.
Sleepy now.
Put some rice.